Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can track your Pandabuy Parcel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Pandabuy. So in order to see your parcels, you can go to the top right corner, click on your profile icon and then under it, you're going to find user center, order, warehouse, and under it, you're going to find parcel. Make sure that you are logged into your account and then click on parcel. Once you click on parcel, you will be directed to this page. So right here, you're going to find all of your parcels. For me, I don't have any parcels. That's why the list is empty. After the parcel order is successfully paid, the order will go to parcel page and we will soon arrange shipment. So if you want to track your parcel, you need to copy your order number and after that, go ahead and search for 17 track in a new tab. Once you do that, go ahead and click on this link. And then right here, you need to enter your tracking number. And once you paste your tracking number right here, you can go to carrier and then choose the carrier that you have. If you have any info in it, you can choose any of those in this list: FedEx, DHL, UBI, and so on. If you don't know which carrier you have, you can just leave it on auto detect and then go ahead and click on track. As you can see guys, I have this message because I didn't enter my tracking number. So if your tracking number is working, you will be able to track it from here. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.